Clearwater, Florida, is renowned for its sunny skies, warm temperatures, and coastal breezes. While these conditions are ideal for outdoor living, they can also pose challenges for maintaining a comfortable indoor environment and managing energy costs. Energy-efficient casement windows are an excellent solution for Clearwater homeowners, combining superior functionality, modern design, and exceptional energy savings. Here's why energy-efficient casement windows are perfectly suited for Clearwater's climate and how they can enhance your home's comfort and value. Superior energy efficiency for Clearwater's climate. The warm, humid climate in Clearwater often requires heavy reliance on air conditioning. Energy-efficient casement windows are designed to minimize heat transfer, helping homeowners maintain a cool and comfortable indoor environment without overloading their HVAC systems. Key energy-saving features. Low E-glass coatings. Low emissivity coatings reflect heat and block harmful UV rays while allowing natural light to enter, reducing reliance on air conditioning. Insulated glass panes. Double or triple pane glass filled with inert gases like argon or krypton improves thermal insulation, keeping indoor temperatures consistent. Compression seals. Casement windows close tightly with compression seals, preventing air leaks and drafts that can lead to energy loss. With these features, casement windows are a cost-effective and environmentally friendly choice for Clearwater homes. Exceptional ventilation and airflow. One of the standout benefits of casement windows is their ability to provide excellent ventilation. Their side-hinged design allows the window to open fully, maximizing airflow and bringing fresh air into your home. Ventilation benefits for Clearwater homes. Capture coastal breezes. Casement windows can be angled to catch Clearwater's refreshing coastal winds, reducing the need for mechanical cooling. Improved indoor air quality. The wide opening helps expel stale air and bring in fresh outdoor air, creating a healthier living environment. Efficient cooling. Enhanced ventilation reduces indoor humidity, which is especially important in Clearwater's humid climate. Casement windows offer natural cooling solutions, reducing energy consumption while keeping your home comfortable. Modern design and aesthetic appeal. Casement windows feature a sleek and versatile design that complements a variety of architectural styles. Their clean lines and expansive glass panes make them a stylish addition to any Clearwater home. Design advantages. Unobstructed views. Casement windows provide clear, uninterrupted views of Clearwater's beautiful surroundings, from coastal vistas to lush gardens. Customizable options. Choose from a wide range of frame materials, colors, and finishes to match your home's aesthetic. Elegant minimalism. Their modern appearance enhances both traditional and contemporary home designs. Energy-efficient casement windows combine functionality with beauty, elevating the style and curb appeal of your home. Durability for Clearwater's coastal environment. Living near the coast means exposure to salty air, humidity, and occasional tropical storms. Energy-efficient casement windows are built with durable materials and features that can withstand these challenges. Durability features. Weather-resistant frames. Materials like fiberglass, vinyl, and aluminum resist warping, rust, and corrosion caused by coastal conditions. Impact-resistant glass. For added safety and storm protection, opt for hurricane-rated casement windows. Professional sealing. Expert installation ensures the windows are watertight and secure, protecting against water intrusion and wind damage. With their robust construction, casement windows are a reliable choice for Clearwater's coastal weather. Reduced energy costs. Energy-efficient casement windows not only keep your home comfortable but also help lower your utility bills. By reducing the need for cooling, they provide long-term savings for Clearwater homeowners. How they save money. Minimized heat gain. Advanced insulation and low-E glass prevent heat from entering your home, reducing cooling costs during hot Clearwater summers. Improved sealing. Compression seals eliminate air leaks, preventing your HVAC system from overworking to maintain consistent temperatures. Sustainable investment. Over time, the energy savings from casement windows offset the initial investment, making them a cost-effective upgrade. Energy-efficient casement windows are an investment that pays off in comfort, savings, and sustainability. Enhances home security. In addition to energy efficiency, casement windows provide excellent security features that give Clearwater homeowners peace of mind. Security benefits. Multi-point locking systems. Casement windows typically feature locks at multiple points along the frame, making them harder to force open. Outward opening design. The outward opening mechanism makes it difficult for intruders to tamper with the windows from the outside. Durable materials. High-quality frame materials and impact-resistant glass add an extra layer of protection against break-ins. By upgrading to casement windows, you're improving both the comfort and safety of your home. Boosts property value. Energy-efficient upgrades are highly desirable among Clearwater homebuyers, making casement windows a valuable addition that enhances your property's market appeal. Value-adding benefits. Energy savings appeal. Buyers appreciate the cost-saving benefits of energy-efficient windows. Modern aesthetics. The sleek design of casement windows enhances your home's exterior, increasing curb appeal. Long-lasting durability. High-quality materials and professional installation ensure your windows remain an asset for years to come. Installing energy-efficient casement windows is an upgrade that enhances your home's comfort, style, and resale value. Conclusion. Energy-efficient casement windows are an ideal choice for Clearwater homeowners seeking to improve their home's comfort, energy efficiency, and style. With features like superior ventilation, durable construction, and modern design, these windows provide a perfect solution for the area's warm, coastal climate. If you're ready to enhance your home with energy-efficient casement windows, contact a trusted window professional in Clearwater today. Their expertise will help you select and install the perfect windows for your needs, ensuring a comfortable and stylish living space for years to come.